Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a delicious labneh balls recipe. But first, we're gonna make our own labneh. And here are my prepared ingredients. Here I prepared plain yogurt. And I have here cheesecloth or a clean towel or any clean fabric cloth. Any will do. And now, let's add a teaspoon of salt in our plain yogurt. You can adjust the taste or the salt. Mix it. And now let's put our cheesecloth to strain. Done. And now done. Let's cover it. Let's tie. Keep it on the strainer with the bowl under and put it in the fridge for about 2 days to strain the whey or the liquid from our plain yogurt. And after 2 days, let's check our strained yogurt. It's done. Our labneh is done. Now let's make our labneh balls. See how much we strained. See, this is the liquid we strained from the yogurt to make our labneh. We strained the liquid. Now let's transfer our labneh to start making our labneh balls. This is the yogurt cheese, similar to cream cheese. And now we are ready to make labneh balls. And here I prepared the savory seasonings. Here I prepared dried mint, chili flakes, black seeds, and sumac. And I have here olive oil. And I prepared 2 clean and sterilized jars. And now let's get started. And now let's make a labneh balls. And our labneh balls are done. Let's fill our jar with our labneh balls. The empty jar. Put olive oil. And let's start filling our labneh balls into the jar. Let's add again olive oil. We need to submerge our labneh balls into with olive oil. Let's add more. Let's add more oil. And our plain Labneh balls are done. Remaining Labneh balls, let's season first with mint. Done with the mint. Next, let's season with the black seeds. Done also with our black seeds. And now with chili flakes. Done with the chili flakes. And we still have one seasoning, which is the let's submerge also our seasoned Labneh balls in the jar. Let's put also oil, olive oil. Let's put in our seasoned Labneh balls and let's submerge with olive oil. It's done. Our delicious Labneh balls is ready to serve. You can start it in the fridge.